What's up, data enthusiasts and AI aficionados? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel dedicated to demystifying the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's transforming industries faster than ever: data. From predicting market trends to personalizing your online shopping experience, data is the driving force behind some of the coolest tech we use every day. But harnessing the power of data requires a specific set of skills and knowledge, and that's where data science comes in. In a nutshell, data science is the art of extracting knowledge and insights from data, structured or unstructured. It's like being a digital detective, using your analytical superpowers to uncover hidden patterns, predict future trends, and help businesses make smarter decisions. Now, let's talk about the rock stars behind it all: data scientists. These folks are like the Sherlock Holmes of the digital realm. They live and breathe data, using their expertise in statistics, programming languages like Python or R, and machine learning to unravel complex data mysteries. Want a career that's both intellectually stimulating and in high demand? Data science might be your calling. Next up, we have data analytics. It's all about examining raw data to extract meaningful insights that can be used to improve decision-making. Think of it as the bridge connecting data with actionable business strategies. Data analysts are masters at spotting trends, identifying patterns, and presenting their findings in a clear, concise way that helps businesses understand their customers, their market, and their overall performance. But hold on a second. Before we can even analyze data, someone needs to build the infrastructure to store, process, and manage those massive data sets, right? That's where our data heroes, the data engineers, come in. These are the architects and builders of the data world. They make sure the data is organized, accessible, and flowing smoothly through the pipelines. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of AI-powered data analysis tools. Here are 8 of the best tools on the market right now that are changing the game for data professionals. We've got Julius AI for making data analysis as easy as chatting with a friend, DataLab, your AI-powered data notebook, and Echobase, empowering teams to query and analyze data using sophisticated AI models. First up is Julius AI. This tool is all about simplicity and user-friendliness. Imagine analyzing your data by simply typing in questions in plain English. Julius supports all sorts of data file formats, even those pesky spreadsheets with a million tabs. It's like having your own personal data analyst on call 24/7. Next, we have DataLab, a powerful AI data notebook that simplifies and accelerates your data analysis workflow. With DataLab, you can write code, debug, analyze, and even generate comprehensive reports all within a single, intuitive interface. Now for Echobase, a fantastic tool that helps teams work together on data projects seamlessly. Echobase prioritizes data security with robust encryption and allows for granular control over user permissions, ensuring your data stays safe and sound while you collaborate. Next, we've got the big guns from Microsoft, Power BI. This business intelligence platform is all about making sense of your data visually. It's known for its seamless integration with other Microsoft tools, so if your business is already using Microsoft products, integrating Power BI is a breeze. Create stunning reports, dashboards, even build your own machine learning models. Power BI is your data visualization powerhouse. Now, have you ever wished you could just talk to your data and get instant insights without writing a single line of code? Well, with Polymer, you can. This amazing tool uses AI to transform your data into a streamlined, searchable, and interactive database, no coding required. Upload your spreadsheet and watch as Polymer works its magic, revealing hidden trends and making your data dance. Moving on to Accio, a fantastic tool for beginners just starting their data journey. Accio lets you unlock the power of machine learning without any prior coding experience. It's as simple as uploading your dataset, selecting the variable you want to predict, and letting Accio build a neural network around it. Predictive analysis, simplified. Monkeylearn is your go-to for all things text analysis. This no-coding platform uses AI to help you understand mountains of text data, from social media posts to customer reviews. You can create custom text extractors to pull out key information, automatically sort data by topic, and even set up intelligent alerts to stay ahead of the curve. Last but not least, we have Tableau, a data visualization and analytics powerhouse. Tableau is known for its ease of use and beautiful visualizations. No coding skills? No problem. Tableau lets you create stunning interactive dashboards with just a few clicks. It's used by everyone from small startups to Fortune 500 companies. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the bigger picture. How is artificial intelligence transforming the landscape of data analytics? Buckle up because this is where things get really exciting. Generative AI, the same technology behind those mind-blowing AI art generators and chatbots, is revolutionizing how we approach data engineering and data analysis. Imagine a world where tedious data cleaning tasks are automated, code is generated instantly, and insights are delivered to you on a silver platter. That's the promise of AI in data analytics. This technology can help us process massive amounts of data much faster than traditional approaches. It's like having an army of super-efficient data analysts working 24/7, tirelessly crunching numbers and uncovering hidden gold. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into data science, it's essential to be aware of the potential challenges like ensuring data privacy, addressing algorithmic bias, and managing the impact on jobs. But the future of AI is not just about building smarter machines. It's about building a better future for everyone, and that starts with responsible development and ethical considerations guiding every step of the way. Now, let's talk about a fascinating and potentially concerning phenomenon in the world of AI, hallucinations. You've probably heard of AI making stuff up, right? That's what we're talking about. Basically, these are instances where AI models, especially large language models, generate outputs that are factually incorrect or even completely nonsensical. This isn't just about AI getting a few trivia questions wrong. It's about AI potentially generating misleading information that could have real-world consequences. So, how do we address this issue of AI hallucinations? Researchers are exploring some really cool solutions, and one of the most promising areas of research is AI memory. The idea is to give AI systems a memory mechanism similar to how humans store and recall information. By equipping AI with robust memory, researchers hope to improve their factual accuracy, make them less prone to hallucinations, and ultimately, make AI more reliable. That's it for today's deep dive. As your dedicated AI guide, I'm always working to bring you the most informative and engaging content, but I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this crazy world of AI and data science? What kind of data challenges are you facing? Drop your comments, questions, and suggestions below. Building a supportive community is incredibly important to me, and your feedback is invaluable to making this channel the best it can be. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you in the next video.